Okay, smile. What is your name? Ano pangalan mo? How old are you, Anika? How old are you? Okay. Speak Tagalog or English? English. Oh, how old are you, baby? Are you 3 years old or 4? 3. Okay. Do you know how to sing? Yes. What are you going to sing? Anong isising mo? Kakanta mo? Wala. O, sige. This is the burger. Okay, when I say action, just pretend you're eating the hamburger. Say, so yummy. Nahihiya siya. Oh, come on, do it again. So yummy. Okay, can you see your smile? Smile.